What's up? Here is our friend. His name is Cassidy Opinang. He is my classmate at grade 2. Zoe is just his friend in Ibayo. And he is my friend too. So you can even see this. So we are uploading a video that we are playing with Cassidy. I cannot show that thing because his back is a little see-through. So I will cover it. So get into my channel and then wait. I am uploading that. This is what they will always do.